Conjunctivitis made my eyes incredibly itchy and irritated. Seeking a natural remedy, I tried Eyebright in a topical form. Using an Eyebright eye wash, I found it provided some relief from the irritation. The wash felt soothing and seemed to calm the redness and itching, albeit temporarily. It became a comforting part of my routine while dealing with conjunctivitis. For anyone seeking a gentle, natural way to ease the discomfort of conjunctivitis, an Eyebright eye wash might be worth trying. Jessica Edwards. Fearing the onset of cataracts, I began exploring preventative measures and discovered bilberry. Intrigued by its potential eye health benefits, I started taking bilberry supplements regularly. While it's hard to measure prevention, I felt more at ease, trusting in the antioxidant properties of bilberry to support my eye health. Incorporating bilberry into my daily health regimen gave me a sense of proactive care for my eyes. For those concerned about cataracts, bilberry supplements might be a proactive step to consider. Elizabeth Wilson. After being diagnosed with glaucoma, I was cautious about trying cannabis, aware of both its potential benefits and risks. I started using cannabis under careful monitoring, intrigued by its reported ability to lower intraocular pressure. Gradually, I noticed a subtle improvement in my symptoms. While cannabis was not a cure, it seemed to offer some benefit in managing my glaucoma, though I remained vigilant about its use. For those considering alternative treatments for glaucoma, cannabis might be an option, but caution and close monitoring are advised. Michelle Davis. Facing the threat of age-related macular degeneration, I wanted to take proactive steps for my eye health. I started using ginkgo biloba supplements, drawn to their reputed benefits for circulation and eye health. Over time, I felt a sense of reassurance, trusting in the antioxidant properties of ginkgo biloba to support my vision. While it's hard to quantify the effects on my eye health, the routine of taking these supplements gave me a sense of control over my aging eyes. For those looking to support their eye health against age-related macular degeneration, ginkgo biloba might be a beneficial supplement to consider. Patricia Smith. Worried about dental caries, I explored natural preventive measures and discovered neem. Intrigued by its antibacterial properties, I started using neem mouthwash regularly. Gradually, I noticed my oral health seemed to improve, with a reduction in cavities and a fresher feeling in my mouth. Using neem mouthwash became a key part of my oral hygiene routine, offering a natural way to combat dental caries. For those seeking a natural approach to preventing dental caries, neem mouthwash could be a helpful addition to your dental care routine. Sarah Johnson. Struggling with periodontal disease, I sought a natural remedy to complement my dental care. I started using a green tea rinse, attracted by its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Rinsing with green tea daily, I noticed a reduction in gum inflammation and bleeding. It became a soothing and beneficial part of my oral hygiene routine. For anyone facing the discomfort of periodontal disease, a green tea rinse might offer some natural relief and support. Emily White. Dealing with temporomandibular joint disorders was a daily challenge, marked by jaw pain and discomfort. I turned to RHU's Tox, a homeopathic remedy, hoping for relief. Taking RHU's Tox pellets, I noticed a gradual improvement in my symptoms, with less jaw pain and easier movement. It felt like a gentle yet effective way to manage my condition. For those struggling with the discomfort of temporomandibular joint disorders, RHU's Tox might offer a homeopathic solution worth exploring. Rachel Brown. Suffering from otitis media, I wanted a natural way to ease the discomfort. I found relief in garlic oil drops, known for their antimicrobial properties. Using the drops in my ears, I felt a reduction in pain and discomfort. The garlic oil seemed to help soothe the inflammation, offering a natural approach to managing my ear infection. For anyone looking for a gentle, natural remedy for otitis media, garlic oil drops could be a soothing option. Anna Green. Tinnitus had been a constant, unnerving presence in my life with its persistent ringing. Seeking relief, I turned to ginkgo biloba, intrigued by its reported benefits for circulation and auditory health. Taking ginkgo biloba supplements became a part of my daily routine, and over time, I noticed a subtle improvement in the ringing intensity. It didn't cure the tinnitus, but it seemed to offer some respite, making the condition more manageable. For those troubled by the persistent noise of tinnitus, ginkgo biloba might provide a measure of relief. Linda Williams. As my hearing began to decline, I was eager to find supportive measures. Ginkgo biloba, with its potential benefits for circulation and neuroprotection, became my choice. Regularly taking ginkgo biloba supplements, I felt a sense of proactivity in caring for my hearing health. While it's hard to measure the exact impact, I felt a steadying of my hearing loss progression, giving me hope. For those looking for support in managing hearing loss, ginkgo biloba supplements could be a worthwhile addition to your health regimen. Susan Martinez. Vertigo made every movement a challenge, with the world spinning unpredictably. I found a natural ally in ginger root, known for its anti-nausea and equilibrium balancing properties. Incorporating ginger root into my diet, either through supplements or tea, I experienced a noticeable reduction in the frequency and intensity of vertigo episodes. It became a key part of my strategy to manage the dizzy spells, offering a natural and comforting remedy. For those battling the disorienting effects of vertigo, ginger root might be a helpful and natural option to consider. Jennifer Thompson. Dealing with various skin conditions, I sought a soothing and natural remedy. Aloe vera, with its healing and anti-inflammatory properties, became my go-to solution. Applying aloe vera gel to affected areas, I found it helped in soothing irritation, reducing redness, and promoting healing. It became a staple in my skincare routine, offering a gentle yet effective treatment for my skin issues. For those struggling with skin conditions, aloe vera might provide a soothing and natural solution. Elizabeth Moore. Alopecia brought a distressing change to my appearance, but I found hope in rosemary oil. Attracted to its reputation for stimulating hair growth, I started applying rosemary oil to my scalp regularly. Gradually, I noticed a decrease in hair shedding and a subtle improvement in hair thickness. It became a nurturing part of my hair care routine, offering a sense of empowerment in managing alopecia. For those facing the challenges of hair loss, rosemary oil might be a natural option worth exploring. Rachel Johnson. After accidentally burning my hand on a hot pan, I turned to aloe vera for relief. Known for its soothing and healing properties, applying fresh aloe vera gel to the burn provided immediate cooling and relief. Over the next few days, I continued the application, noticing a significant reduction in redness and pain. The burn healed remarkably well, leaving hardly any mark. For anyone seeking a natural remedy for minor burns, aloe vera can be a soothing and effective choice. Emily Harris. When I suffered a minor fracture in my foot, I looked for natural ways to support the healing process. Comfrey, known for its healing properties, became my choice for a topical application. I used a comfrey ointment on the area around the fracture, being careful not to apply it directly on broken skin. Over time, I noticed it seemed to help in reducing swelling and promoting healing. While it was not a substitute for medical treatment, comfrey provided a comforting addition to my recovery process. For those dealing with fractures, comfrey ointment might be a beneficial topical remedy to aid in healing. Sarah James. Concerned about osteoporosis, I explored natural ways to support my bone health. Red clover, with its isoflavones, seemed a promising option. I began incorporating red clover supplements into my daily routine, hoping to harness its bone-strengthening benefits. While it's hard to measure the direct impact, I felt more confident in my approach to maintaining bone health. For those looking for natural ways to support bone health and possibly prevent osteoporosis, red clover supplements could be worth considering. Linda Martin. For my scoliosis, I realized that there was no herbal remedy that could effectively address the spinal curvature. Instead, I focused on maintaining overall spinal health through regular exercise, particularly stretching and strengthening routines, which helped in managing discomfort and improving posture. Emphasizing core strength and flexibility became key in my daily routine, aiding in supporting my spine and mitigating some of the physical challenges posed by scoliosis. Zara Khalid. In dealing with a herniated disc, I learned that no herbal remedy could directly remedy the issue. Instead, my approach involved a combination of physical therapy, exercises specifically recommended for spinal health, and maintaining a healthy posture. These practices, along with professional medical advice and sometimes using heat or cold therapy, were instrumental in managing pain and aiding recovery. Regular gentle exercises, particularly those that strengthen the back and core muscles, played a significant role in my journey towards alleviating discomfort and improving overall spinal health. Jennifer Earle.